Portable blenders are an amazing invention, a quick and convenient way to get a lot of nutrients into your diet through smoothies and soups, says Haley Pomeroy, health strategist and the New York Times best-selling author of The Fast Metabolism Diet. Newer ones are more lightweight than ever before and can serve as both blender and a drinking vessel. These are great for home if you have limited counter space, to keep at the office, or to travel with, she adds. There are many products available to Best Blender, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel and check the description box. Number 1. Magic Bullet Blender. Included 250W motor base, cross blade, tall cup, short cup, party mug, lip rings, stay fresh resealable lids, to-go lid, and 10-second recipe guide. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds, and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic. Effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces, and dips. 250 watts high-torque power base. Included recipe book gets you started making quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. Add half cup water for smooth blend for vegetables. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Shakes and Smoothies with BPA-Free Personal Blender. Blend and go. Blend fruit smoothies, shakes, and your favorite icy drinks right in the 14 ounces. BPA-free travel jar, then grab it and go. The blender jar comes with a travel lid to double as a go cup. It's portable, lightweight, and fits most car cup holders. Powerful blending performance. Durable stainless steel blades on the portable blender power through ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens for smooth results. Perfect for adding more vitamins and nutrients into your diet in smoothies and protein shakes. Number 3. Portable Blender, Personal Blender. The portable blender only requires you to add the fruit you want, plus water or milk or small ice cubes. Double-click the button to quickly mix the work. USB rechargeable portable blender with built-in rechargeable battery. Charge through the USB port for 1 minute 3 hours, making it easy for you to use in the gym, car, or outdoor activities. Personal blender can be used 5 minutes 6 times each time the charge is completed. Personal blender has a 3.7V battery. 6 stainless steel blades are quickly mixed and the speed is 22,000 revolutions per minute. You can quickly drink healthy juice and milkshakes. Number 4. Mueller Ultra Stick 500 Watt 9-Speed Immersion Multi-Purpose Hand Blender. Sophisticated design. The ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. Exceptional quality. The full copper motor withstands continuous use and will last 3x longer than competitors' motors. Versatility. The removable blending arm with fixed blade locks into the motor body for easy operation. The stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade quickly blends ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups, or baby food, and the quality whisk attachment is a perfect addition. Number 5. Powerful Portable Blender. The capacity of our blender jet is 18 ounces, a perfect personal size to make shakes and smoothies. The juicer is big enough that will not leak the fluids, and the anti-slip design at the bottom will not move anywhere or fall out. The blender design with an anti-slip lanyard that you can take anywhere and anytime. You don't need to pour out to another bottle then drink directly. It is more convenient to take out to the kitchen, office, traveling, camping, outdoor, etc. This portable blender is equipped with 20000 RPM speed 6 ultra sharp 304 stainless steel blades. The strong blades lift and push down quickly, mix completely fruits and vegetables occurring from the bottom of the cup.